Today's video, I wanted to do something kind of old school YouTube that I've been seeing kind of come back. And you guys know I'm an old school YouTube queen, honey. I started my YouTube channel 2009. I started and then I deleted it, and then I came back in 2010 and I've been on ever since. And I've been watching YouTube since 2008 when it started. Like, I've literally been watching from the beginning when there was like 2 beauty gurus. So I'm an old school YouTube queen, so when I see like old videos coming back, I'm like, yes, time to get on that train, because that's where I thrive. It's hard for me to kind of get on the new wave of videos, so sometimes I feel like I'm like drowning in a sea of drama channels. And this is where I thrive. Also, if you want to see a makeup tutorial for this look, it is on my Instagram. So I do IGTV makeup tutorials. They're like 2 to 3 minute makeup tutorials where I show you guys what I do, how I use things, you know, the products, It's nice, quick, simple, to the point. And it's a great way to see makeup from me, because I don't do as much makeup on Instagram or on YouTube anymore. So I do upload those pretty often on IGTV. So now, with that all being said, let's get into what I got for Christmas. So I wanted to do this video because this year I didn't get a lot of stuff, and I kind of like that. As I get older, I'm more about giving rather than receiving, and I just thought it was fun to, I thought it'd be fun to share and kind of show you guys that I'm a real ass, regular schmegular bitch. Like, sometimes I feel like people think when you have followers that you're getting like Gucci and Prada and like crazy things for Christmas, and that you live like this crazy life, and it's like, no sweetie, I'm not Jaclyn Hill. I'm not, you know, giving Louis Vuitton or getting Louis Vuitton, although I did get my good friend, my good Judy, Jay, I got him a Dior wallet for Christmas because he loves Dior and he loves like the saddlebag. Anyway, I like to give more than anything, because I feel like things that I really want, I just buy them for myself. But for Christmas, I like to just give people a list of things that are cute, that I would buy somewhere down the road anyway, that are not too expensive, just for the joy of gift giving and being together and all that. But like I said, I prefer to give. With that all being said, I think it's fun to see what people get and get ideas of what people like, and you know, maybe you'll be inspired by something I got that you might want yourself. So I'm gonna leave everything listed down below, or similar things, but let's jump into it because I'm talking too much. So first and foremost, the prettiest thing I got, I think, are the KKW Diamond Collection perfumes. These are the Kim, Courtney, Chloe perfume collection diamond. I have them backwards. I don't know what I think they're just called the diamonds, like the diamond collection or something. I'm trying not to drop them because they're heavy, but I'm trying to show them at the same time. They're so beautiful. So this is Chloe's, and hers is the yellow diamond. I just love the packaging of these so much. Like, oh my god, I'm definitely gonna have these on my dresser, just sitting there. They're so beautiful. So these are the full-size ones. They do have the smaller ones. The regular size are 1 fluid ounce each, and then the small ones I think are, it's not a half, it's like a 1/4 ounce I think, and they're a lot cheaper. But I believe they're on sale right now for like after Christmas sale. So I actually had this on my Christmas list because when they came out I was gonna buy them, but I was like, you know what, let me put them on my Christmas list, because sometimes I don't know what to put on my list, and my mom and my husband like lists, so I was like, I'm gonna put them on. And I know I wanted all 3 of them. I do genuinely like the KKW perfumes. I have a lot of them. They've sent me some. I've bought some. I genuinely do like them. I love perfume, and I love that Kim's perfumes smell very expensive, but they are quite affordable compared to designer perfumes. And I definitely feel like her perfumes have like a designer kind of vibe. And then I thought the packaging of this is just gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. So yeah, I got all 3, and my favorite is the Chloe, by far my absolute favorite. And actually I love the yellow diamond. Like, I thought I would prefer the other 2, but I actually love the yellow in real life. It's just so much prettier, I think, than the other 2. Maybe because the other 2 are basic, like pink and clear, okay, but the yellow one, I don't know, something about it just feels so different and glam and just beautiful. So Chloe's is very sweet and yummy. It is unbelievably delicious. Obviously I'm not gonna go through notes and all that, you could Google that, but wow, I just sprayed it directly in my face, like directly in my face. What an asshole. Oh, it's burning. But anyway, it smells so delicious. So hers is super, super yummy. It's like florally sweet, yummy. All three of them are very floral, but Chloe's by far is the most sweet, most glamorous. It feels very like what Marilyn Monroe smells like. Very Chloe, which I kind of feel like Chloe right now. It has just, it is so yummy. It makes my mouth water. Like, that's how yummy it is. It's like vanilla, florally. It's just delicious. It's my absolute favorite. I am probably gonna wear this every time I go out. And I love the packaging. It fits right in your hand, but it's so glamorous. I feel like it's light enough that I can put this in. I love the packaging of this. I feel like it's the perfect size to throw in your purse, take with you everywhere. Not too heavy, but super glamorous. It's just easy. I think these are a match made in heaven. They're affordable. I love, love, love them. Kim's is very light. Like, the scent is super light. It's the lightest of all three. Chloe's is the heaviest. Kim's is the lightest. And Courtney's is the most powdery and most kind of old lady. But in a good way. It smells like very rich old lady vibes. But it's very powdery. Kim's, it smells more like gardenia and more like very light floral. So they're all quite different. Which I really, really like. And I definitely feel like you can wear like Chloe's for a night out, Kim's for every day. Like, it's very like going to work, going to school, after the gym. And then Courtney's feels very like sophisticated, proper afternoon tea. So there's definitely a perfume for every vibe. Next, my friend Brittany got me some earrings from H&M, and I thought that was so sweet. So these are like some pearl hoops. She knows I love me some pearl hoops, so thank you, girl. And then also these really pretty seashell earrings, and I just thought it was so sweet because she was like, oh, I saw these and I thought of you. So I just thought that was so sweet. She's also an Aquarius like me, so we really bond over that. I love you, girl. Thank you. And then next, my mom got me this really pretty blush throw. She's like, you're always buying blankets, so I just thought I'd add another one to your list. So this is from Opal House from Target. You guys know it's one of my favorite brands, so I thought that was so sweet. I love the little pom-poms. So I'm gonna save this actually for spring, and when I redecorate for spring, I'm gonna bring out, you know, my blush stuff, and I'll definitely bring out this throw. I'm not sure exactly what colors I'll do, but there'll probably be some blush thrown in there, and then I can bring out this really cute throw. And then along with that, she also got me this really cute little face mask, or sleeping mask, which I thought was so cute. Again, it's blush with this little satin. I have a lot of these. I love these. They get a lot of use. I use them a lot, and my husband started to use them, so these are always great gift ideas for people who really prefer darkness when they sleep. Mom also got me my favorite candy that is such a throwback, and it's so hard to find these now. But it's the Chella's milk chocolate cherry liquid center chocolates. I am obsessed with these, and I loved these growing up, but they're so hard to find, so my mom got me these, and I am so excited to eat them. They don't want to be eaten, I guess. My husband got me this Jadot body milk, and it's so sweet. We were in Ulta, I want to say, I don't even know, like a few months ago, and I saw this and I was like, oh my god, because I love Jadot. It's one of my favorite perfumes. And when I saw they came out with this body milk, I was like, ooh, girl. And I love the packaging. First of all, this is actually plastic, so it looks like glass. It's so chic. It looks like the perfume, but it's actually plastic, which, I mean, bad for the environment, but good for not breaking. And I love that, you know, you don't have to worry about it breaking. I also love the product itself. It's very, very milky, and the scent is really strong. It smells exactly like the perfume, so you can actually wear this without actually wearing the perfume. It's super hydrating and milky. Look at that. It smells so good, just like the perfume. You know what? Courtney's perfume actually kind of smells like Jadot. It has that same like floral powdery scent. But yeah, loving that lotion. I love the packaging and the scent. And then my husband also made a donation in my name to St. Jude's. That was on my list as well. And this was like the best gift out of everything. I'm super, super grateful for that. Let me know if you guys do any volunteering and like what, just anything about the volunteering sector, especially when it comes to kids. I really want to get into some type of volunteering. It's just hard for me because I'm very sensitive and I don't want to like cry around, you know, any sick kids, because I don't think that's helpful. And I've tried doing like different jobs where I help people with like disabilities and children with disabilities, and it was really emotionally hard on me. But I do want to like get into some type of volunteering or something. So let me know if any of you guys know a good organization that you like or something like that. My little brother got me this, which I thought was so cute. It's a planner, and you guys know I'm a huge planner girl. I actually have my planner in front of me right now. So, you know, obviously I need a new one. My husband actually ordered me this planner this year as well. So I bought this one for myself last year. And this is from an artist I follow on Instagram. I love, love, love her planners. I love a big planner. I mean, you can see how huge it is. So for this year, I asked for her new planner, and my husband ordered it for me, but it didn't come on time. But she actually has a store, like a pop-up here in the city. So we might just go into the pop-up and get it there. But then my little brother got me a planner. So I'm like, oh, do I need a planner? I like having two though, especially if I have a bigger one and a smaller one. But this one is so cute. I absolutely fell in love with it. So it says stay focused, but then my favorite thing about this is that it comes with its own stickers, and I love planner stickers. Like, I am obsessed with planner stickers, and I thought it was so cool that this one came with 3 whole pages of planner stickers, and one of the first ones says mermaid vibes and bon voyage. Hello, my life, me. So he's just such a sweet boy. Ugh, it's just such a cool planner. I'll show you guys what the months look like. They have these really cute illustrations. This is February, March. Just some really, really dope, colorful, positive illustrations, and I just thought this was so sweet and something that I'm actually going to use. So I'm really happy about that. And then last but not least, the last thing my mom got me is this ring light that I'm using now, and I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it like every day since Christmas. I'm just obsessed with it. It's a perfect ring light. It is so cool. It's this beautiful tripod, and it's a big ring light, and you can put your camera in it, and then it comes with a phone attachment to put your cell phone in. So I'm loving that. I think it's really gonna help me with my makeup tutorials on Instagram, as well as doing like just different content on my phone with some really great lighting. So I'm so excited for this ring light. It's probably like my favorite gift, and the perfumes and the body. Okay, I love everything. But yeah, I love getting things that I'm actually gonna use, and I think that's the value in doing like a list. So don't put down lists. I know some people don't like when they get a list from someone, but I think it's so much better to have a list than try to figure someone out. And for someone like me who buys everything I want for myself, because I don't like expecting anyone to get me anything. Like, I want to work hard and get everything I want for myself. But you know, it's nice to put some things on a list to give someone else the joy of getting you something. So I like the idea of putting things on the list that I actually am going to use, so that none of my family members' money is going to waste. You know what I mean? So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a happy new year, guys. If it's already New Year's, I hope that you had a great one. If not, I forgot what I was gonna say, but have a great New Year. Stay safe. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I'll see you in 2020. If it is 2020, here's to a great one. If it's not, here's to a great one. Stay safe. Yeah, let me know what you guys are doing for New Year's, because I'm always that person that December 30th comes, I'm like, what am I doing for New Year's? Let's go somewhere. Yeah, okay. All right, guys, I love you. Stay glam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.